Hello everyone, here Dr. Zahid Ansari, Professor of Computer Science Engineering. In this video, I'll discuss about how to use JLabel and image icon in a Java Swing program. JLabel is Swing's easiest to use component. JLabel can be used to display text or an icon, or you can display both text and icon. It is a passive component since it doesn't respond to the user interface. JLabel class defines several constructors. In the first constructor over here, it takes a parameter about the icon. So you can display an icon in the JLabel. So that icon you can specify as the parameter. Another constructor is you can specify a string over there. So the string will be displayed in the label. Similarly, if you want to display both a string and the icon, you want to display text and icon, then both you can specify. The first parameter is the string, the second parameter is the icon, and you can also specify the alignment. You want the left aligned, right aligned, center aligned, etc. You can specify over here. Then there are several methods associated with the JLabel. You can call getIcon to get the icon from the label. You can call getText to get the text associated with the label. You can set the icon by passing an icon into the label, and you can set the text of the label by passing a parameter str, string parameter, to the this method setText. Okay. Image icon class encapsulates an image. It implements Java's icon interface. So image icon constructor, it can obtain the image in the file that is specified as the parameter. Okay. So you can specify a file name inside the constructor of the image icon, and it will encapsulate the icon that is there in the file. Next, we discuss an example of an applet to illustrate how to create and display a label containing both an icon and a string. Okay, so for this, we go to our code over here. Here we have written a class JLabel demo, which extends JApplet. So our JLabel demo, it's an applet. We import java x.swing.star in order to get access to JLabel and image icon. In this class, we write two methods, method init and method makeGUI. In makeGUI, we create an image icon and a label over here. In order to create an image icon, we first specify the file name where image is there. So we create a string image file in which we specify the file name. So we are using a file france.gif, which is containing an image of the map of France. Okay, so that file path we are specifying in image file. Then we are creating an image icon. So we are creating an instance of image icon, and as a parameter to this constructor, we are specifying the image file. So we want to create an image icon, right, which has the image of the France in it. We are giving the name to our image icon object II. Okay, so once we have the image icon II, now we are creating the label. Image icon II is used as the second parameter over here to the JLabel constructor. Okay, the first argument to the JLabel constructor is the text to be displayed. So we want to display France over here because image is of France. Okay, second parameter is the image icon, And the third parameter basically specifies the alignment. So we want the center alignment. That's why we are specifying JLabel.center over here. So once we created the label with the text as well as an icon, after that we are adding our label into the content pane of the applet by calling the method add, and we are passing the JLabel object reference to it. Okay, so once we completed our creation of our GUI in the method make GUI, now we invoke this method make GUI. We invoke it in the method init of the applet, and we make sure that this is invoked in the event dispatching thread. In order to do that, we are calling the Java Swing Utilities method invoke and wait. In that we specify an implementation of the runnable. We provide the run method, and within the run method we call make GUI. So when the event dispatching thread will run, it will execute run method, and in turn it will create the GUI. Okay, so now we run our file. Okay, so see, it created the label over here. Okay, I can maximize it. Okay, so basically this is the label over here. Okay, the label has the icon also, which displays the image of the map of France and a text France. Okay, so this finishes the illustration of how to use JLabel and how to use image icon in a Java Swing program. Thank you.